Mundi is an Arabic rice dish. And in this video, I'm going to make the spices you need to make delicious Mundi. The ingredients you'd need are coriander 3 tablespoons, cloves 1 tablespoon, green cardamom 2 tablespoons, cinnamon sticks 3 to 4 medium size, black pepper 2 tablespoons, cumin seeds 1½ tablespoon. The most important ingredient is dried lemon, and you'd need 1. You can dry it at home, or you can buy it from a store. I dried it at home. Now put a frying pan on medium-low heat and roast all the spices. Roast them for at least 6 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, turn off the heat and let the spices cool down to room temperature. Once it is at room temperature, grind all the spices until they are powder form. While grinding all the spices, you will need to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. It will add more taste to it. Your delicious Mundi spices are ready. You should store the powder in an airtight container for future use.